Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's episode, we will learn how the 70,000 dead resurrected to life. It was an amazing event related to the people of Sayyidina Hizqeel alayhi salam that contains several moral lessons and words of advice. This event is mentioned in the second chapter of the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah. Let us describe Sayyidina Hizqeel alayhi salam first. He was the third deputy of Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam and was bestowed with the dignified rank of the prophethood. After the demise of Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam, Sayyidina Yusha bin Nun alayhi salam became his first deputy and Allah blessed him with the prophethood. After him, Sayyidina Khalid bin Yohana was the second deputy and he was also blessed with the rank of prophethood. After him, Sayyidina Hizqeel alayhi salam became the deputy as well as prophet. Sayyidina Hizqeel alayhi salam was also known as Ibn al-Ajuz, meaning the son of an old woman, and was also known as Zul-Kifl. The reason behind being called Ibn al-Ujuz, the son of an old woman, was that he was born at the time when his mother was very old. It has been reported that a tribe of the Bani Israel used to live in the city of Sayyidina Hizqeel alayhi salam. These people were struck with the fear of death due to the spread of plague in the city. All these people left the city and went to the jungle and settled there. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala disliked this act very much. Therefore Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent an angel to the jungle who hid himself in a mountain. With a loud shriek, he said, "All of you die." After listening to this frightening scream, they all died at once without any disease. They were 70,000 in number. These dead people were so large in number that no arrangement for their burial could be made. Their dead bodies remained lying in the open field for 8 days, due to which their bodies started to rot and a terrible smell spread, not only within the jungle but in the surroundings as well. Some people felt pity for the dead corpse and erected a wall around them to protect the bodies from wild beasts. After a few days, Sayyidina Hizqeel alayhi salam passed by the jungle and saw the dead bodies. Upon seeing the death of 70,000 people and seeing them without any burial, he felt a lot of sorrow. He became tearful and supplicated to Allah with a sorrowful heart, "O Allah, these were my people who made the mistake to flee from the city to the jungle due to the fear of death. These were all inhabitants of my city, whom I have deep love for. They were with me in my good and bad times. Alas, all my people destroyed, and I am left all alone. O Allah, these were the people who used to proclaim your praise and would testify your oneness." Whilst making this supplication with full of humbleness, it was revealed upon him, "O Hizqeel, say to these scattered bones that, O bones, Allah commands that you be assembled." When Sayyidina Hizqeel alayhi salam said this, a movement took place among the bones and every person's bones gathered and formed skeletons. Then it was revealed that, "O Hizqeel, say that, O bones, it is an order of Allah for you to wear flesh." As soon as they heard this, flesh developed on their skeletons. Then the third time it was revealed that, "O Hizqeel, say that, O resurrected ones, all of you stand up by the command of Allah." As soon as Sayyidina Hizqeel alayhi salam said these words, 70,000 dead bodies stood up in an instant reciting, "Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, la ilaha illa anta." Then all of them went back to their city, leaving the jungle, and lived their life for the duration destined for them. However, there were still significant signs of death apparent that their children would smell of rotten corpse and any clothes they would wear turned into a shroud. Their clothes would get dirty the way the shrouds get dirty in the grave. These signs are still apparent today in the Jews belonging to that lineage. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned this miraculous and marvelous event in the Surah Al-Baqarah in the following words. O beloved Prophet Muhammad, did you not see those who went out of their homes in their thousands fearing death? So Allah said to them, die. He then brought them back to life. Indeed, Allah is most munificent towards mankind, but most men are ungrateful.